Welcome to Creative DIY with Momdas. Today I'm going to share some high-end decor ideas using some unusual items. I am taking these two plastic bowls. They came as some food takeaways. These are of similar size, big ones, and I'm just going to add some strong glue here on the edge of both the bowls and just place one on top of the other such that it forms a structure like this. I like this structure because the base is also very broad, so this will be a very stable structure to hold decor items. Next, I have this braided gold wire string or yarn, and I'm going to add it just on this portion. On the joint space, I'm going to glue it there to finish up the look. So you can use it on a center table decor or use it for seasonal decor on your vignettes. It will look pretty anywhere. For the second DIY, I'm going to make a little riser or a cake stand. So for this, I'm going to take this plain black mug. It's ceramic mug, and then I have this wood slice. I really like the colors and it's beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some hot glue onto the edge of my mug and center this slice over it. Now I used a black mug to match the dark edge of my wood slice, and I think it will look great as a riser, pedestal or a cake stand, and very elegant high-end look too. For this DIY, I'm going to make a snowman couple. So one can use wooden blocks for this, but for unusual craft supplies, I'm using these cardboard boxes. These are actually boxes for wafer biscuits packaging. So these are rectangular, cuboid shaped, and I'm going to use them. I'll be needing some fabric. So I used check fabrics for the gentleman snowman, and I'm using this printed dotted polka dot kind of fabric in red for the lady snowman. First I'll paint the faces, or this portion only I'm going to make the faces. I'm using color pens to make the faces. Today I am sharing with you 3 DIY decor ideas using unconventional or unusual craft supplies, as I'm participating in Unconventional Material Craft Challenge that is hosted by Elena from the Blondie Next Door, and her co-host today is Miguel from Miguel Does DIY. So I'll be putting links to both the channels and to their playlist for more ideas. And if you love what you see here and like to do DIYs, decor, crafts within absolutely budget using what you have at hand and are new here, please consider subscribing and make sure to put the notification bell on for all notifications. To watch the video till the end, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and put down your comments. Now I took this check fabric and I'm just going to fold the edge so that it's a neat edge without frayed ends, and place it over the top, and I'm going to glue everything at the back like this so that a cylinder is formed. Once it's glued in place, I'm going to bunch the top together, and one can tie a little jute string, or I'm going to use just some elastic bands, and the cap will be ready. Next, for the little muffler, so another long strip of the same check fabric, and this one can be tied onto the little portion like this, or just glue it together. Next, for the dress of my Mr. Snowman, I'm taking some dark green colored buttons and added some glue at the back and making his dress here. So here is my Mr. Snowman ready. Let's make the lady snowman. Again, for the top, I'm using this piece of fabric to make the top portion. So I'm just going to fold and then fix it at the back as before. So you see, I left a little difference between the two caps of the Mr. and Mrs. Snowman. This one looks a little bigger, this a little smaller. Next, I have a long strip of this fabric fashioned like a belt or a ribbon, and I'm going to tie it around this portion of my lady snowman and make a little bow out of it. A tiny little bow, center it slightly, and for the lady gnome it need not be a shirt, so it's a dress. So I'm just going to place one button in black right in the center, and I think she's ready. I hope you liked the 3 DIYs, the 3 decor ideas that I put forward today with unconventional or unusual items, craft supplies. I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much everybody for your time and support. Have a great day.